Well, my name is Tess, my surname is Elephant. I'm from Loxton. The only thing I like about this project is he taught me about life, how to send emails or something like that.
Ik is Elise de Lier en ik is van Loxton. Ik hou van dit programma omdat het me meer leren om te dansen.
Hi, my name is Shante, my surname is Diderix. What I love about this project is it learned me how to create an email account, and now I know how to create it to get some people in hands.
Mijn naam is Estia, ik is van Loxton. Ik hou van dit programma, dat het mij baie geïnspireerd om te dansen. En wanneer ik dans voel ik.
Hi, my name is Wainika. My surname is Bleekes. I'm from Loxton, and what I love about this project is it keeps children away from things that happen outside, and we love this project.
Hi, my name is Rusutu. My surname is Oswant. I'm from Loxton, and I like this project because it learned me about everything, dancing, how to work on computers, and so on.
Smurf wat gekom het. Baie dankie. Thank you very much, guys. Really thank you. From our side as a Loxton community, we really do appreciate what you're doing with the kids. It really did. It made a difference.